Yes, today we will see another problem of missing view. This problem number 3. So front view and top view is given to you, and you have to draw sectional side view. Sectional, suppose left hand side view, so it will come on the right hand side. So first I will draw the given views, and according to first angle method of projection, front view above the reference line. So this front view above the reference line, this front view above the reference line, top view below the reference line, and suppose left hand side view on the right hand side of the front view. So first we will draw the given figure. So I am drawing this front view first. So total length is 120 mm. So total length of the platform is 120 mm. So this 120 mm, 120 millimeter. So this 120, and height is how much? 15 millimeter. So this 15 millimeter. तो पहला भाग प्लेटफॉर्म 120 बाय 15 millimeter. Then from this point to center line distance is 70. So draw a center line at a distance of 70 mm. One long dash, one short dash, one long dash, one short dash. And this 120 mm midpoint is 60. So draw another center line like this. So you will get center, and center, this center and radius equal to 30. Here this center and radius equal to 30, there is a circle. So radius 30, there is a circle. So this circle like this. Okay. And another circle of diameter 40 means radius 20, another full circle like this. Then after that there is a rib of 10 mm. So 10 mm rib. So this center line 10 mm means 5 mm left hand side and 5 mm right hand side of the center line. And another rib is here, tangential, this tangential, and this not top view. So for top view we will project this platform. So platform width is how much? 85. So take 85 millimeter, and there is a quarter circle of radius 20. So what we will do, they take 20 mm in compass, this 20 mm in compass, this center, cut this line, intersection center, draw an arc, intersection center, cut this arc. So you will get center, draw a quarter circle like this. Similarly on the right hand side, this 20, cut this line, intersection center, draw an arc, intersection center, cut this arc, and यहाँ center, radius 20, draw a quarter circle. And there is a full circle of diameter 16. 16 diameter means radius 8 mm, 8 millimeter full circle इकडे आहे. So this 8 mm radius full circle like this. So this 8 mm radius full circle like. Then this platform will be like this, and this. Then project this cylinder Width of the cylinder is 10 mm and 40 mm. So this 10 mm rib and this 40 mm width of the cylinder. So cylinder will be like this. As you know that cylinder looks like a circle in one view and a rectangle in other two views, and hole visible in one view and invisible in other two. So hole is visible in front view, so top view and side view will be the invisible hole, like this. Then this rib visible and invisible, invisible, visible, and this projection of this rib, so it will be visible then invisible, like this, invisible and this visible. One more thing, in front view this hole is invisible, so I am projecting this hole in platform, that is invisible. Similarly here also this hole is invisible, this hole is invisible, and this center line, one long dash, one short dash. Okay, so this is the given front view and top view. Now we have to draw sectional side view, sectional left hand side view. So for that, what I will do, I will draw 45-degree line here, and the cutting plane, in the problem cutting plane is given to you. So cutting plane, this one, so this cutting plane, this cutting plane, and a left hand side view. So arrow will be like this. Okay, so it is cutting the cylinder, it is cutting the wall, it is cutting the rib and platform. So one by one we will project. So first I will project this platform. The width of the platform in top view is 85, like this, and height is 15. So this is the first part. So it will be like this, and we are doing section. So, and this hole is not cutting, so just cutting plane is passing between these two holes. That's why hole is not cutting. So hole is not cutting, so just I will give the center line over here, not continuously, and this platform will be like this. Okay, first part. Second part, I am projecting this cylinder. So cylinder height is 60 and width is this 50. So this cylinder will be like this. Okay, in this there is a hole which is going to cut, so it will be continuous. This center line, this center going to be cut, so it will be continuous like this. This continuous, continuous, continuous. Then this wall 10 mm projection like this, and this rib. So section will be here inclined at 45-degree, gap 1 to 2 mm, and it should be uniform, you know that. So this section line will is to be drawn with the help of drafter or set square. I am drawing with free hand, पण तुम्ही फ्री हँड नाही करायचं, तुम्ही ड्राफ्टरने करायचं. तो दिस बिकम्स सेक्शनल लेफ्ट हँड साइड. फायनली गिव द डायमेन्शन अँड सिम्बॉल. ॲक्च्युली व्हॉट हॅपन्स, हा फ्रंट व्ह्यू टॉप व्ह्यू आहे. याचे ऑब्जेक्ट जर इमॅजिन केले तर मागच्या प्रॉब्लेम सारखा होईल. हा सिलेंडर आहे, सिलेंडर नंतर हा रिब आणि हा प्लॅटफॉर्म, हा राऊंड आहे, असं राऊंड नंतर असं राऊंड आहे, इथे होल आहे आणि अशी रिब आहे. करेक्ट, असं कट केलं आपण. सो द सिलेंडर गेट्स कटिंग. तो अर्धा सिलेंडर आफ्टर कटिंग, वॉल आणि अर्धा प्लॅटफॉर्म लाईक दिस. ठीक आहे. रिबमध्ये सेक्शन्स देत नसतं त्याच्यामध्ये, तर हा सेक्शनल साईड. ओके. सो फायनली गिव्ह द डायमेन्शन्स अँड सिम्बॉल. सो दिस टू प्रॉब्लेम केव्हा, याच्या व्यतिरिक्त कोणतेही 2 प्रॉब्लेम तुम्ही स्केचबुकवर सॉल्व करून मला दाखवा. तर मी तिथे डायमेन्शन पण देऊन टाकतो. डायमेन्शन शुड बी गिवन इन ऑल 3 फिगर्स अँड इट शुड नॉट बी रिपीटेड. सो दिस रेडियस 20, दिस डायमीटर 16. तर डायमीटरला 2 ॲरो, दिस डायमीटर 16, दिस रेडियस 16. याची विड्थ आहे किती, 85 मिलीमीटर. दिसत नाही, 85 मिलीमीटर. सो आय विल यूज दिस स्केच पेन. 85. आणि हाईट दिस 15, दिस 15 आणि 70, दिस 70 and 45 degree. Diameter of the circle or cylinder, bigger diameter is 60, smaller circle diameter is 40. आता मी याची विड्थ साईड व्ह्यूला देऊन टाकतो, कारण काय प्रत्येक व्ह्यूला आपल्याला माप द्यायचं. तो हा मी 50 दिली. फायनली गिव्ह द डायमेन्शन्स अँड सिम्बॉल. तो हा फिगर किंवा कोणतेही 2 फिगर तुमचे स्केचबुकवर मिसिंग व्ह्यूचे काढून ठेवा ॲट द टाईम ऑफ सबमिशन. म्हणजे शेवटी मी बघेल आणि त्याच्यावरनं मार्किंग करेल. ओके. प्रत्येक फिगर तुम्ही काढून ठेवायचं. ऑनलाईन लेक्चर म्हणजे हा नाही की तुम्ही फक्त वाचून घेतलं किंवा बघून घेतलं. तुम्ही स्केचबुकवर काढायचं, याच्यावरनं मार्क राहील. प्रत्येक चॅप्टरला 2-2 प्रॉब्लेम कमीत कमी तुमचे असाइनमेंटवर किंवा स्केचबुकवर पाहिजे. ओके.